Hey everybody, hope you're ready for another video because it's bad girl vibes all the way. We're doing Harley Quinn, aka Harlem Quinn. Okay, let's go. I already started out with my brows, used the LA Girl Pro pencils in brown and black. Did black for the tail, brown for the beginning, and that is the Makeup Forever Flash Color Palette, which is oil paints. We're going to use the red in there to tint one side of the brows to be red, because you know we're doing the black and red Harley Quinn. So to conceal that, we are using the LA Girl Pro concealers in Toffee at the bottom, and then at the top it's going to be the color Beautiful Bronze. Okay, so we're going to use that same red in that palette to do for a base of the eyeshadow. So again, one side is going to be red and one side is going to be black. And these oil paints are great for a base as well. So you're going to have to set it with an eyeshadow, which we will do. Alright, so we're going to be using the Morphe 35B palette for the black. And we're going to tap that on. With the oil paints, you have to set it for sure, because if not, then you're going to be creased lady or man, and you do not want that. So as you tap on and set it, you're also going to blend out with no extra product. We're going to use the Crayon Case Matte Book Palette for the red and do the same thing as we did with the black. Tap it on and then blend it out. Alright, glitter time. You already know. So I will have a list below of where I got all these glitters. They're different places. So yes, check the description. But dual glue to place where you want it to be, and then tap it on. I like to use a flat brush so that I can just pick up a little bit and put it on. This is the chunky glitter that I'm adding afterwards because it works better for me this way. So I'm putting them on individually. Same thing with the red. Okay, so we're going to do the skin now, and this is the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Okay, the foundation we're going to use is the Melanin 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect Foundation. I have to use two because it'll be my perfect skin color, and the colors are Golden Toffee for the darker one and Chestnut for the lighter. Gonna highlight with the LA Girl Pro concealer in Toffee. Okay, so what we're gonna set that the highlight with is the Sasha Buttercup powder. I don't like to bake because I have dry skin, so I put it on and then wipe it off. This is the Makeup Revolution Glow Palette, or Glow Bronzer, there we go. So that we can do some contouring. I love this though. Get that nose, Cupid's bow, and that double chin. This is the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder, and all that does is melt in what you highlighted and contoured with and blends it all together. It is everything. Alright, so we're going to do some drawing, and we're going to use this pen, which is the Artist Moon Beauty liner pen, as well as the Nicka K Red Lippy in Shiraz. So we're just drawing right now. We're going to do a heart, a diamond on one side, and then the other side is going to be a star, and then the 50-50 sign or symbol. You'll see what I'm talking about. This is all Harley Quinn-esque things. Okay, so we're going to use the duo glue because we are going to add rhinestones. So for this side, we're going to border them with the black rhinestones. And the other side, which we drew in black, we're going to outline it with the red rhinestones. So just flip the script a little bit. Okay, I'm not going to show everything, but that's what I did. Alright, so we're going to do a little wing with the Wet n Wild Megaliner. These lashes are from Melanin Motivated Beauty in the style JuJu. Nice and fluffy. Okay, that's the LA Girl Pro pencil again. And we're just going to do our waterline. Okay, and what we're going to do is smudge it out with the black on the black side. And smudge it out with the red on the red side. Okay, what we're going to do is line our lips with the black pencil. Of course, LA Girl Pro. Then we're going to take that Shiraz by Nicka K Red Lippy in the middle. Then we're going to take the black shadow and like blend it out so that it's like an ombre. And like that, we're all done, okay? There we go. Harlem Quinn. That's what I'm going to call her. Yes, yes. Okay, don't forget that. Check that description box. All the products will be listed below. Any questions, comments, or anything, please leave down below as well. I thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see y'all later. Don't forget to follow my social medias, okay? Listed right here. Okay? I do follow back, don't worry. Alright, see you guys later.